Ninth, chapter 4, factorization. First of all, question is, what is factorization? The process of finding two or more expression whose product is the given expression is called factorization. That is, a single question is in the form of two products, and two product is as an expression in a given questions. That is called factorization. For example, 7x minus 28. 7 common into x minus 4. 7 into x, 7x, and 7 minus 4 minus 28. And common, that is HCF. HCF of these two given factor. Do given digit is a factor 7. That is a common, that is HCF. As for second example, a into x minus y minus b into x y minus x, y minus x. Hence a x minus y and minus common, then plus b, and this y minus x is converted into x minus y, because x minus xy, x minus y same. Hence a plus b and x minus y. Next, x square into p minus q whole cube plus y square p minus q to the power 5. X square p minus q to the power whole cube plus y square and p minus q to the power 5 is written as p minus q to the power 3 and p minus q to the power 2. 3 and 2 power is equal to 5. Hence, in both section, p minus q to the power third and p minus q to the power third common, and rest x square plus y square p minus q to the power 2. Hence, this is the result. And next, factorization by grouping of terms. Factorization by grouping of terms. First of all, now we know about grouping of terms. Sometimes it appears that there is no common factor, but when we look at the given expression carefully, we find the many terms. As for example, Lx plus My plus Mx plus Ly. First of all, this arrangement Lx and Mx plus My plus Ly, and Xx common and L plus M, and Y common L plus M. Hence x plus y and 1 plus M. And again next, x cube minus, next example, x cube minus 3 plus x minus 3x square, and this arrangement x cube plus x minus 3x square minus 3, x cube plus x minus and 3 common x square plus 1, and again x common, x square plus 1 minus 3x square plus 1, and x square plus 1 x square plus 1. This is a shape, and then common x minus 3 and x square plus 1 is the result, that answer. Next, 1 plus a plus b plus c plus ab plus bc plus ca plus abc. First of all, this arrangement 1 plus b and a plus c, again plus b and a plus c, b common and a plus c, and again ca common and 1 plus b, again 1 plus b plus ca into 1 plus b plus a plus c plus b into a plus c, again 1 plus b, 1 plus b and 1 plus 1 plus b and 1 plus b, that 1 plus b and 1 plus ca plus 1 plus ca, that means common 1 plus b and 1 plus and 1 plus c. Again 1 plus b, 1 plus c and 1 plus a. Hence this is the result. Factorization of the form of squaring यानी a square minus b square. Factorization of the form of a square minus on the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. For example, 9x square minus 100y square is equal to 3x square minus 10y square. That is a square minus b square. A plus b 3x plus 10. A minus b 3x minus 10. Answer. And next again example, x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. X to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. And again x square plus and y square. Plus and minus and this cancel, no effect on this equation. Hence x square plus x square 2x square plus 1. And this x square plus 2x square plus 1 is the whole square of x square plus 1 and minus x square. And this a square and b square. A plus b and a minus b. This is the result. And next example, m to the power 8 minus m to the power 8. First of all, m to the power 4 to the power 2 minus m to the power 4 whole to the power 2. This a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. And again m to the power whole square minus to the power 2 and m to the power square whole square power 2 and m plus 4 and m plus m to the power 4 and a plus a square minus b square, a plus a minus b and a plus b and again m to the power 4 plus m to the power 4 and m plus n, a square minus b square, m plus n, m minus n, m square plus n square, m to the power 4 plus m to the power 4. This is the example. And again, factorization of trinomial. Factorization of trinomial. Trinomial, that means x square plus bx plus c. Coefficient of x square is 1, that is unity. That is unit. For example, x plus 2, x plus 3, x square plus 2 plus 3, x plus 2 into 3, that is x square 5x plus c. For example, x plus a, x plus b, x square plus ax plus bx plus a into b, x square and a, x is common, a plus b and a b. And hence some factor, that is, what is the factor on factorization of trinomial? First consider the constant term of trinomial. First step. Second step, find those factors of the constant whose algebraic whose algebraic sum in the coefficient of x, or split the coefficient of x into two parts whose product is equal to the constant. Third step, split the term containing by x by taking the coefficient of x as the sum of the factor of the step. Step 4, group the first two terms and the last two terms of the expression obtained in step 3rd, and take the common factor from the respective groups and observe a common factor in the two groups. And last, take the common factor common from two groups in step 5 and write the required factors. For example, x square minus 11x. X square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to what? First of all, given trinomial x square minus 11x plus 30, when 11, we have to split 11. We have to split 11 into two parts whose product is 30. 11 split into two parts, 6 plus 5, adding in the form of 11 and multiplication in the form of 30. 6 5 is 30 and 6 5 11. Hence, x square plus 6x plus 5x is equal to 30. Again, common x plus 6 plus 5 into x plus 6. X plus 5 common and x plus 6. And again, second, x minus 4 to the power square minus 9x square. And x minus 2, that means a square minus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus 9x. X square minus 17x plus 16. And again 17 is split into two parts whose product is 16. So 16 and x. 16x minus x. 17x and 16 into x into 1. That is 16. X common, x minus 16 minus 1 common, x minus 16. Hence x minus 1 and x minus 6 is the result. Second, when the coefficient of x square is not a unit, that means ax square plus bx plus 6, where coefficient of x square is not unit. For example, 6x square plus 11x plus 4. 6x, 11x and 4. Now, we have to split 11. We have to split 11 into two parts whose product is 24, because A is 6 and C is 4, and product of A into C is equal to 24. Hence 11 is split into two parts whose product is 64 and adding or subtracting form is 11. Hence, so 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24 and 8 plus 3 11. 6x square plus 8x plus 3x plus 4. And again 2x common, 2x common 3x plus 4 plus 1 common 3x plus 4. Hence 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 4. And again, and last topic, sum or different of cubic. Sum or different of cubic form. Sum or different of cubic form. As for a cube plus bq is equal to a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. And hence, as for a cube minus b cube a minus b a square plus ab plus b square, and this is the product of other form. On the basis of this term, for example 64x cube plus 125 y cube, and as a result our cubic form, that is 4x to the power cube plus 5y to the power cube, and is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, that is 4x plus 5y, and a square, that is 4x square minus ab, that is 4x into 5y minus by 5y square, and hence 4x plus 5y 16x square minus 20xy plus 25y square plus 25y square. And next example, a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6, a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6, a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6, and it is written as a to the power square to the cube plus b to the power square to the cube, and is equal to a cube plus b cube, that means a plus b, a square plus b square into a square, that means a square to square plus b square to square minus ab minus a square and b square, a square and b square, and hence a square plus b square, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus a square into b square, and hence it is an answer. So this is a example of cubical terms. Hence, all my dear students, I hope you cleared all chapter on the basis of given discussion and given example. So thank you all my dear student.